This is Anthony here, and I'm going to be basically unboxing all of my TsumTsums today for the Star Wars Select box and see which ones I got. So I got C-3PO, and let's go to the next one and see what I get with 30,000 coins. Dark Vader at skill level 3. I'm hoping to max out Jedi Luke if I could. Dark Maul. Okay, so let's keep unboxing. Han Solo. Ready. Okay, so, got my Jedi Luke. He's at skill level 3. Alrighty. A lot of coins here. Star Trooper. 30,000 more coins. Let's hope for the best. Okay, Luke. Alrighty, let's just keep unboxing. Another Star Trooper. Okay, let's keep going. Right, another Jedi Luke. Okay, let's keep going. Luke again. Okay, I have Emperor Palpatine, I think. Okay. R2-D2. 3 million more coins, so I should have plenty to unbox a lot. Alrighty. Tsum. Another Jedi Luke. 30,000 more coins. Another Luke. Alrighty, I have Dark Vader. Wonder who's gonna be next. I have until May 7th to try to max out my Jedi Luke. I hope I can get him to level 6. Alright. So, Jedi Luke. No, Dark Vader. Dark Maul. Alrighty, Luke again. Okay, who's next? Star Trooper. Alrighty, 30,000 more. I'm under 3 million now. Yoda. Yeah, I got Jedi Luke again. He's at skill level 4 now. Dark Maul. Star Trooper. Who's gonna be next? Han Solo. Who is going to be next? Okay, Emperor Palpatine. Next box. Dark Maul. Dark Vader. Yoda. Alright, let's just keep going. Dark Maul. Han Solo. Not getting a lot of Jedi Lukes anymore. That's sort of my goal. Another Han Solo. Okay, hopefully I get lucky. R2-D2. Chewbacca. Okay, let's keep going. Stormtrooper. Another Chewbacca. So, which is your favorite Star Wars Tsum from the select box? I guess everybody wants to get Jedi Luke. That's my favorite. You can post your favorite in the comment section below and check out another video when I create another Tsum video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Alright, peace out.